On top inside Edo today, we go continue to dey do check for overloading of vehicles and people wey no wear face mask. Na Edo state government na im talk this one. Coronavirus disease na yamayama disease wey don waka around the whole world and e never get cure. Na this one na im make wey government don talk say make people dey sit down for house. But if dem must comot for house, dem must to wear mask, dey wash their hands well, use sanitizer and practice social distancing even for inside motor.
Please stay at home if you don't have to go out. But if you must go out, wear your face mask and make sure that you do not, and you are not found in a place with more than 20 people.
We go remember say Edo state government talk am say make car dey carry one passenger for front and two for back, and bus go carry one passenger for front and two for their back seats.
Vehicles with passengers not adhering to the social distancing regulations will be impounded and the driver will be prosecuted.
Now this law na some people break wey make Edo state task force on top the matter don catch 4 Toyota Hiace bus dem, where the people wey dey inside pass 20 for one bus, and dem talk say dem wan travel go Kaduna, Kano and Katsina states. The oga on top public work volunteers PUWOV Yusuf Osagie come tell Tori people say dem catch the bus dem because say dem disobey government law wey talk say make people dey practice social distancing and make dem no waka anyhow.
The government don't put embargo in the compound. They make people not dey load for inside motor, one for front, two for middle, two for back. So our people dey since they monitor am. We surprised say 4 buses they follow each other. Yes, they waka they go. Now our men wey dey due to stop them. Now dem call me. As I reach there, now we say make them park. Now we come find and say everybody wey dey inside are young, able-bodied men. All of them are young men, no women, no children. Now we say this one he get as he be. Then some say that they go Kano, some say they go Kaduna, and each of the bus more than 30 people dey inside one bus load themselves like sardine. So now we take hold them, now we take hand over them to the appropriate authorities. So
one of the people wey dey inside the bus come follow Tori people talk, and im talk say dem come from Katsina come carry their people go house until the Ramadan wey dem wan go celebrate.
From Katsina we carry the motor to come Edo State to carry our people. From Ikenwa Barrack, Edo State, we go Katsina State, the Musa local government, to stay our house because the government say any person go and stay your home. That is the reason why we won't go stay our home. Yeah, that is because of fasting. Maybe tomorrow or Saturday, what we go do fasting.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say some people don't disobey the law where Edo state government don't put for ground on top overloading of vehicles and people wey no wear face mask. Make una sabi say na Till Live Media and I bring this ogbonge informate. They come care for na as they hot.